Of course, this weekend is going to mark the 20th anniversary since the L.A. riots, and now the man who became a symbol for police brutality and trying to calm the city after days of deadly riots is talking. We'll bring you my interview with Rodney King coming up in our next half hour. Amy.
Right, and Lester, you just sat down with him this week. How is he doing? I understand he has a new book out.
He's got a new book, tells really the whole story of the beating and what happened afterwards. He tells me he still has headaches from the beating. He's had some struggles with the law, also alcohol. You may remember he did celebrity rehab. But he's also getting married. In fact, his fiancée, listen to this, his fiancée, Cynthia Kelly, was a juror in his civil trial. She was juror number 5. I asked her about their engagement. Here's what she told me. Could you ever imagine some 20 years later you'd be engaged to Rodney King?
Never. Never.
Did you know he was checking you out during the time?
Nope. I honestly never. It was never.
You met after the case.
Correct.
And then kind of lost touch.
Actually, I hadn't seen him for 15 years after. When I met him after the trial, we met the very next day, and we kind of saw each other off and on for 4 years. And then after that, I hadn't seen him for 15 years, and my daughter graduated high school. So I took her on a cruise out of the country. And I come back, and there's a phone call from him 15 years later saying, "What are you doing?"
Just kind of an interesting twist in Rodney King's life.